Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Thank you very much for having so much of a wonderful response to our monthly subscription course, and many of the serious aspirants have already enrolled in our monthly subscription course, and this particular video is to clarifying the doubt many of the students are asking in my email ID. It is very difficult from my part to tell and clarify the doubt regarding our monthly subscription course. So this particular video is to clarify the doubt those people who are interested in monthly subscription course, that why we have kept 399. Yes, that is the main problem, that is the main area, because I have deliberately kept the prices low so that everybody can afford this particular program and take the benefit, take the quality guidance in affordable price. Not only that, it is far lesser in price than the online platform which is providing guidance, and especially we are providing quality guidance in order to help you have a focused study for your prelim examination. And the one time offer is this, that you can enroll it 1 month, take 1 month subscription. If you find it is not helpful, then you don't renew our subscription. That is the main thing. That is the flexibility that we are providing in our monthly subscription course, and especially we are guiding you in such a way that prelim will be a cakewalk for you. And if you are truly a serious aspirant, you never miss this opportunity, because the prelim examination is 35 to 38 days away from now. If you will enroll early, then you can implement whatever I am teaching in my monthly subscription course. If you will enroll late, then you are not going to apply that in your prelim examination and you will suffer. Not only that, you will lose a particular chance. So in order to clarify you, many of our YouTube subscribers who want to join our monthly subscription course, this video is special for you guys. That today onwards we are starting to guide in a structured manner. Last week we have started, and there are 4 to 5 videos only. And if you will join early, then not only you will get the last week's videos, you will get the quality guidance from today onwards, which we have structured. On 23rd, 22nd, that is today, on Monday, we will cover polity, Constitution of India, that is important concepts and question discussion. Polity is my favorite, and mind you that if you will enroll in a monthly subscription course, then I will teach you tips and tricks in which you can easily able to memorize the entire constitution. Yes, there is some tips and tricks. If you will apply, then you will find it very, very helpful. Like if you want to remember Article 19, EAA-MRP, freedom of expression, then assembly, association, movement, then practice and reside. And if you want, then I will give you another tip, that Article 76, that is Attorney General of India. Add 89, you get 165, that is Advocate General of the state. There is a difference of 89, Rule 89, in which you can easily memorize the entire constitution, important parts of constitution. What are the important aspects of constitution? That prelim examination, our research based important questions which are very much essential for the prelim examination, you will get it. Then 23rd means tomorrow, we are going to guide Tuesday, history, ancient. Our focus of this particular week on these two books, ancient and medieval. All the important discussion, all the important question discussion from these two books will be done in tomorrow's class in my monthly subscription, and all important questions which are expected to come in the prelim examination 2021 we are going to give in tomorrow's class. Then coming to next day, that is 24th Wednesday, geography and environment. Indian Geography and Environment, important questions, concept, environment discussion. Important question discussion of geography from this book, that is Vijay publication. Then environment from the Sankar IAS. These are very very important, in which we will be discussing all the important questions which can be asked from the prelim perspective 2021, as well as the environment, some of the important environmental concept. I will clarify many of your doubts. Then coming to Thursday, economics and important organization, economic basics and index report, important concepts and index report discussion. This book is very very important. I will be discussing on this coming Thursday about important concept from this particular book and my simple tips and tricks in which you can easily remember the important concepts of economics. Not only that, we will be discussing some of the important indexes of last year, which are very much essential. You need to remember, for which for the prelim examination, which you really want to appear. Then on Friday of this particular month, we will be of this particular week, I am going to totally take a class on the general science and some of the important aspects of this particular book, Ravi P. Agrahari, and this Lucent book. We will be discussing this week's. My focus is health science and physical science. I will be teaching you about important aspects of health science as well as physical science, important concepts and question discussion. All the important question, expected probable question of 2021 prelim examination. Then coming on Saturday, I will be taking current affair, research based current affair. This Saturday in my monthly subscription course, I will be taking current affairs which are very very important, all expected questions and discussion, all the important question discussion for 2000 prelim perspective, in which you have to revise, re-revise, because prelim is another 38 days left. So you have to be very very focused in your approach, because current affair is very vast. We are guiding in a focused manner in which you can maximize your prelim score. Then Sunday, doubt clearing video. Ask personal doubts in WhatsApp on Friday. Whatever doubt you may be having, you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp number, which I will provide to our monthly subscribers only. And prepare content. I will prepare the content on Saturday. If you whatever related to your doubt, then I will produce the video on Sunday. Then it is a one-time offer to all of you, all serious aspirants. Do not miss this particular opportunity. If you are a real serious aspirant, then join our course, feel the difference. If you find it useful, continue, and if you don't find it useful, then leave it. You don't renew our subscription. We are confident that you cannot think of OPSC preparation without our guidance. Take 1 month subscription, feel the difference, then continue, then decide yourself. That is why we are giving you flexibility that you can renew it or you can leave it. So all those who are interested, for all my YouTube subscribers, this is one-time offer, and as prelim is hardly 38 days away, do not miss this particular opportunity. Our WhatsApp group for course is growing quick and very very fast. If you are the one who have not joined our course, then join it today only. Then all YouTube subscribers who are encouraged to join the monthly subscription of $399. All those interested, say I am interested in monthly subscription on my email ID abishoi27@gmail.com, abishoi27@gmail.com. Then pay the first subscription fee on the mobile number provided. I will be providing you the mobile number in which you will pay through PhonePe, Google Pay or PhonePe. You will pay through Google Pay and PhonePe. Take the screenshot and same WhatsApp number. You will be sending me the same WhatsApp number in that particular screenshot. Then you will be added to the course group in which you will be getting the course videos, PDF, as well as link to some important websites from which questions are expected. So I hope I have clarified many of your doubt regarding a monthly subscription video. This is a special offer for all my YouTube subscribers. So always take this particular opportunity. Even if you have taken coaching from somewhere, do not miss this particular opportunity, because I am here to help you guys in order to crack the prelim examination 2021. And do not miss this particular opportunity. It will hardly cost you 399 rupees, and we are providing the flexibility whether you can renew it or you can leave it. So we are very much confident in our teaching that we will definitely help you not only crack prelim examination but also in writing your examination well, and you can even crack the main examination. Then do think about taking this particular subscription. I hope I have clarified many of your doubts who are asking me in email. Do this particular thing and it will help you. Thank you very much.